Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how you can summon fairies to your garden on Grow a Garden. So basically, you are going to craft what it's called a fairy summoner. But to craft this, you will need to kind of backtrack a little bit. So first, you'll need to craft the fairy color. You'll need one fairy jar, one godly sprinkler, and shekels. Then after you've crafted that, you'll need to craft the fairy power extender. So you'll need the fairy jar, the fairy collar, and some shekels. Once you're done with that, you're going to then craft the fairy summoner using fairy jar, a fairy net, and fairy power extender. Then to summon the fairy, you're just going to take out your fairy summoner and you're going to press on it, and it's going to summon these fairies into your garden. So you'll get the glimmering mutation on it. Super cute, actually. Wow, that was cool. I haven't actually used it before. This was my first time trying it. But that is it for this video. I hope it was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.